Hello guitar enthusiasts, my name is Bateman and welcome to my YouTube channel. I firmly believe that everyone has the ability to make music a part of their life and learn guitar. That's why I quit my day job as a scientist to become a full-time guitar teacher. And since I'm not formally trained or have a degree in music, my teaching style is probably a little bit different than some of the other teachers out there. If you scroll down, you'll see a lot of lessons that will help you learn different skills so that you can play songs that are fun and enjoyable. If you're an absolute beginner new to the guitar, I would recommend starting with my Guitar Basics playlist so that you can learn how to tune the guitar, hold your pick, and other intro items that you'll need to get started. After that, I would work into my beginner chord section and maybe even try out some of my dexterity exercises. If you want to get into playing songs, I have lots of beginner level songs as well as beginner intermediate level songs where I try to keep things simple so that you can have fun right away. The goal of my channel is to help you build confidence in your ability to play the guitar. This way you'll enjoy it and you'll have more fun with it. If you're looking for a complete catalog of my songs and my chord charts, you can always go to my website, laurenbateman.com, and see all of the different lessons that I have available to you. I hope that I can have a positive impact on your guitar journey. So scroll down to check out one of my video lessons or click one of the lessons here that YouTube is going to suggest to get you started. And I hope to see you in a lesson video.